Dissolve. This is the second blend mode in the first category or first group. So what is dissolve? I just kept an image on top of another image here. You can see I kept an image on top of another. This is just raining. That's with a transparent background. Then and I changed the blend mode to dissolve. That's the second blend mode we are discussing here. Evidently there is no change in the appearance because dissolve blend mode also doesn't blend pixels. Then how can we utilize this effect or you do this blend mode? So dissolve only reveals the pixels below when the opacity of the layer is reduced. Let's do that. I'm going to reduce. The pixels below are revealed through a diagonal pattern whose intensity is based on the opacity. So look at that. When I change to 3%, 4% is enough. It gives another effect. Look at this. Actually, it's a noise grain effect. It's real. I think it's really looks beautiful. Okay, we can utilize in this way. It is not transparent. When we change the blend mode to dissolve, it's not transparent, but it gives another kind of effect, and we can utilize this for this kind of effects I just did here. So let me show you another example to use this blend mode in our daily life. Well, usually we think we cannot do anything special with this, but not the same, even if it's not used in a big way, but smaller modifications can be made using this for the noise difference when we reduce the opacity. So let's make a new document with white color background. Then select the shape tool, then go and select a random design you like. That I'm gonna select something different. That's which one I like. I'm gonna choose this ellipse, then I'm gonna keep over here, resize it, then fill the yellow color. I like yellow color. Where's the yellow color? Yes. Oh, hopefully I filled. Okay, fill the yellow color. I filled the yellow color. Now it looks good, but we can change the blend mode to dissolve. Then what I'm going to do next is drop down the opacity value. Let's check it out. Look at that. We got this kind of effect when I reduce the opacity value. That's it. Now we have got a small crayon effect. So we use the opacity variation here. Also the opacity will give the same. Also the fill value, when we reduce the fill value, it will give the same result. Look at that. We got it. This can be used for caricature designings and it looks different. Obviously it's an option. Well, we can do another example. Choose the shape option, then custom shapes, then take another shape. I'm gonna choose this one, then make this, keep it over here, then fill with red color. We haven't changed the blend mode, change to dissolve. Look at that, it gives a noisy effect. Let's do another example with the text. Make a new document with white color background. Okay, then we can select the text tool, then make a text. I'm gonna type hello, HELLO, sorry. Then keep it in the middle, then resize it, press Ctrl T to resize it, hold down the shift key, okay, enter. Then we can change the blend mode to dissolve. Look at that, the edges changed to something different. Look at that, it changed to a noisy texture in the edges, not linear. So this is an opportunity. Then we can reduce the opacity. It changes like this, so we can utilize this for our simple editings. This looks different, this looks crazy, so it's another option of our dissolve blend mode in daily life. Look at that, we can use another color. Look at that, it looks pretty well. Even if I choose black color also, look at that. So this is a use of dissolve blend mode. So we are winding up this section. This is a simple section that's dissolve is not widely used one. So moving to the next section,